Hi everyone, and welcome to Have I Like Couponers. Today I'm here with a midweek moneymaker. You heard that right, midweek moneymaker. And it was a moneymaker. I bought a haul. I had so many epic bonuses I was able to stack up. I had 2 bonuses. I had a fetch bonus and just a bunch of random awesomeness that I wanted to take advantage of today. So I did go to Kroger yesterday and got these 4 things or 5 things. And then I went to Walmart today and did all the rest of this. So I had a really, really good haul, and I'm thrilled with how much it came out to be because I got more paper towels, I got that Downy right there, and it's lots of really great stuff. So we're just going to dive right in. We'll start out with, let's do Walmart, because Walmart's where it's at this week. Not everyone can do this, but Renee, a really nice subscriber, works at Kroger, and apparently a vendor came in there, this company, and gave her, like, I don't even know how many coupons. And so she sent me a bunch of them. She sent me 5 more, and I am so appreciative that she shared those with me, so I was able to do this deal again. Walmart has them for $2.48. I had 3 free product coupons. She sent me 5 total, so I'll go use the rest another time. And 50 cents back on each from Ibotta. This is like a $1.50 moneymaker, which is a great deal. Frosted Flakes are 94 cents. Shopkick has $1.20 back, so this is a moneymaker. If you are not signed up for Shopkick, my referral code is always in the description box below. Same with Ibotta. I don't know what you're waiting on. Shopkick has not denied me in a long, long time. I'm having 0 issues with them. They're just such a great app, and I'm loving it. Now, Fetch, on the other hand, of course, I always have issues with them, but otherwise, it's good. So whatever. All right, I did the Suave deal again, which is a really nice moneymaker for me. Fetch didn't automatically work, but it will. It's actually turned out to be a better moneymaker than I thought. So I grabbed one of these little Suave. It has to be the 18 ounce at $2.94. Then I grabbed the Suave Guys for $1.98. Had $1 off 2 coupon. Kroger sent me in a home mailer. Now on the top, it specifically said manufacturer coupon. So as long as it says manufacturer coupon, it can be used anywhere. So I got $1 off. And then Shopkick has 1,050 kicks if I did both these together. Fetch Rewards is $1.25 if I did it today, which it didn't automatically pick it up, but I put a ticket or whatever, and they'll fix that. But I also received 2,000 bonus points because there's a big thing going on there. If you spend 20 on Suave, you get 2,000 points. I didn't think I was going to hit that, but I did. So I got an extra 2,000 fetch points. So this is a really great moneymaker on the Suave. If that doesn't make sense, comment and I'll explain. Referral right here, $5 for the Hydrotherapy Wet Skin Moisturizer. It was on a clearance. My store has a bunch of lotions and sunscreens and all that on clearance, so $5. I had a $4 coupon from yesterday's paper, or Sunday's paper, so it made this $1, which for Referral, that's pretty good stuff, and I'm happy with it. Okay, so the Downy deal, it has to be the Downy Infusions Calm. This is $3.94 at Walmart. There is a thing if you do this in the scent beads, you get an extra like 300 kicks, but it's stupid because the scent beads are $10. Like, I'm not even kidding, are $10. So just get the liquid fabric softener at $3.97. Had $1 off coupon from this month's P&G, so I paid $2.97 out of pocket. Shopkick has, what is it? They had 15 scan kicks, as well as they had 350 kicks back, which is kind of like $1. Oh gosh, I don't know. I need my calculator, but I don't have it on me right now. I'll put it in the overlay what it is. But it ends up making this with sales tax. It was like $1.40. I think it was like $1.18 without tax. I'll have all of it in the overlay because I don't know the exacts on that deal. This is a really good deal. I remember the rest of them pretty much. The Coke, I mean, you can get the regular Coke or the Coke Zero Sugar. I just did the Coke Zero Sugar because that's what my dad drinks. It's $1.88. It's a 20 ounce. Shopkick has back. Okay. There are 400 buy it kicks and 75 scan kicks. That gives you $4.75 back, which is $1.90 back on a $1.88 item. So that makes this little 20 ounce a pop free. Just some little bit of tax, but my dad likes that, so it's worth it. My cashier was so pumped to tell me that they had 1 candy bar left for $0.25, so I went ahead and took it. They have a bunch of candy bars on clearance for $0.25 right now, and that's an awesome deal. I mean, it's nothing crazy, but for $0.25, I figured why not. He was so excited about it. And then the Equate cough drop, this was 10 cents. I have no idea why, but it was 10 cents. So it's kind of dirty on the back, but it doesn't affect the inside of the bag. Okay, so the Gold Bond little lotion. Thank you to Save with Toma on this. This was in the clearance, or not the clearance, the trial section. Now, she said to do it at Kroger. They're $1.19, but I opted to do it at Walmart because I was there, number one, and they were only 98 cents. So they're 98 cents. Savings starts $5 back on 3. I'm serious, and it scanned just fine for this, y'all. So this was like over a $2 moneymaker on these gold bonds. that helped pay for my Downy and my Curel. So it was worth it because I wasn't planning on getting those things, but those were too good of prices to pass up on those products. I did also have a 75-cent any item Ibotta. So I did grab four of the Dr. Scholl's. They're $4.47. I had a 5 off 2 coupon from Sunday's Paper. And I had $2 back on Ibotta for each. These are basically free. I did a little Trust and Maze again. They're 97 cents at Walmart. Times 2, that's $1.98. Shopkick has 600 kicks back. Or no, 200 kicks on each. There's a bundle that if you do it both together, a shampoo and conditioner, you get an extra 200 kicks. Essentially, I'll have the breakdown in the overlay because I don't remember the exacts, but I know these were a little bit of a moneymaker, or else I wouldn't have paid for them. So that was Walmart, which is an awesome money-making time. And then here is Kroger, which is also an awesome money-making time. Well, no, Kroger was not a moneymaker, but everything from Walmart helped cover Kroger. And you saw this in my grocery haul yesterday, but it really was Ibotta. So, okay, so the Viva, $6.49, had $1.50 Peely, had $1.50 Ibotta, $3.49. The Rio Luna was $1.69. I had $1 off hang tag that Kaylee sent me. Thank you, Kaylee. And there also was a 50-cent Ibotta, so 19 cents. Okay, this awesome deal on the one-a-day right here, the Vita Craves Immunity Supports. Here's the barcode. It was $2.12 on a closeout price, just in the regular vitamin section. Ibotta had $2 back. 12 cents. Yeah, that was fun. And I did the Starbucks again, $7.99. I had a $2 Catalina, and I had a $1 Ibotta, and I also had 940 kicks from Shopkick, which is like basically the equivalent of getting back $3.76. So $5.99 minus $4.76. It's like $1.22. Is that right? $1.22 for the bag of coffee. That's a great price for some coffee. But let's talk math. I know it's kind of all over the place with this one. This is a lot of stuff. Okay, so out of my physical pocket, I paid $43.81. I got back $38.46 in rebates, making it $5.35. I got back $3 for the midweek moneymaker bonus. It was $3 on 4 rebates. I got back $1 for finishing level 2. I got back $2 on fetch for that random swab bonus. This is all a 65-cent moneymaker for a pack of paper towels, the Downy, the Curel, all those Dr. Scholl's right there. That's a deal on all this stuff. A moneymaker, 65-cent moneymaker. And for the month of October, thus far, we've made money. I've not spent any actual money, so I'm thrilled with what this came to be. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you got some deals, and thank you so much for watching.